She said, don't you cry, your heart won't fly, but the clock is ticking still. Velvet sky, I gotta make a difference. When I rest my head, shut my eyes to sleep, it's when my thoughts turn red, crushing my beliefs. Can't escape, so I just push forward, tugging on these chains. Frozen state living inside this hurt. Sometimes life is pain. Velvet sky, I don't think I can do this. But before I die, I wanna make a difference. She said, don't you cry, your heart won't fly, but the clock is ticking still. The velvet sky, I gotta make a difference.
So I'ma light it up just like a cigarette smoke till it's in my head, take it all away. Yeah, I'ma light it up just like a cigarette smoke till it's in my head, take the pain away. Let it burn, let it burn, let it burn. Let it burn, let it
Yo, welcome to another Hyperdrive Live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the Nasdaq futures market using the Hyperdrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session you want to learn this system, grab my Hyperdrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday. Let me know in the chat you guys can hear me all right. Give me some twos in the chat today. Twos in the chat if you guys can hear me. Got people in the waiting room here. Let them in. Excellent. Got the twos coming. What up, Jazzy J? What up, George, Carl, Brian? Good morning. Good morning. Where's my YouTube? I changed my setup over the weekend. I gotta get used to it. Everything's laid out now. All right, we're good on YouTube as well. Excellent. People still in the waiting room. We still have about 2 minutes once this candle closes before the market opens. What's up, Paula? What's up, Steph? News wise, we really don't have much today. I decided to go ahead and trade today just because we have a yellow folder at 10 a.m. More than likely, we're not going to trade tomorrow. We don't have anything during our session whatsoever. So we'll see how today shapes out. As of right now, we are in alignment for buys, but it's pretty bare on the 1 minute. The 1 minute is really, really weak. Really weak here. So we'll sit back and wait and see what happens. Seems to be some divergence happening on the 5 and the 3. This is our London high right here. Asia high right there. London low. Right here. Right about right there. So we'll see what happens. We're bouncing off of the 800 level right now. But like I said, 1 minute is super weak. It keeps flip-flopping back and forth between buyers and sellers there. With no news today, we'll see how the morning shapes up. We might be waiting until close to the top of the hour. But we'll see. We'll see what happens when the market opens. We have a daily target not too far off from where we are. 880, 21,880. Looking at the daily, you would kind of, expect this to go bullish, but just because we had such a, if we go bearish, our target is 470, so we're closer to these two targets versus this target down here. So, and that was a bullish engulfing candle on the daily as well. But we got CPI this week, so we got some good news coming in the market later in the week. CPI Wednesday, PPI Thursday, more red photos on Friday. So either today or tomorrow is going to be slow, and I'm hoping it's not today since we're here, and I'm hoping it's tomorrow. So market is open, and we shall see what we do here. We shall see what we do. We shall see what happens. We are in alignment for, oh no, we're not anymore. I was about to say we are in alignment for buys, but that changed as I was talking. What's up, Cindy? What's up, Christine? Bullish engulfing candle on the 1 minute, possibly putting us back in alignment for buys. What up, Ernie? And pushing right back down against that bullish engulfing, back down to the downside, putting us back into a stalemate. bearish engulfing candle on the 1. We're in a stalemate now again on the 1. I did watch that match. Not all of it. We were in church for most of it. But I definitely caught that 5th set and that tiebreaker. That was a dominating tiebreaker. I mean, Alcaraz couldn't have played better tennis in that tiebreaker than he played the entire match. All right, that bearish engulfing candle looks like it's continuing. We're still holding the trend here, barely on the 1, but we are in a stalemate here, closed below 800 on the 3. Price action, volume is getting weak on the 3 as well. Already has some divergence creeping in there on the 3-minute. Like you said, it ain't over till it's over. Hey, buddy.
Mama's here.
I know, I heard her come in.
We gotta hide.
Go ahead.
Mama, but Dada, you can hide with
All right. I think we just flipped red here. Yeah, we did. We just flipped the red on the 1. We'll see if that holds. All right, 1 minute is red. Let's check out the 3. Volume and trend are pretty close. 753 level would need to flip there. 5 minute pretty much has to get to the London low. What's up, iPhone? Looking pretty blah so far. We're only 8 minutes in, but looking pretty blah so far. This 3-minute candle is closing in 20 seconds. Looks like it's definitely going to close in a stalemate at least. Oh. Actually, I can't tell. Oh no, stalemate. It's just a stalemate. Came pretty close to closing on that trend line there, right on top. But another bearish move to the downside there. Five minutes getting weaker and weaker as well. What's up, Mark? Let's just put a bullish engulfing candle on the 3 right off of 750. The 1 minute had a bearish engulfing that got violated. We're playing ping pong here. Like a crazy wick off of that 15-minute. Possible bullish engulfing candle on the 5 as well. 3-minute never lost the trend on my chart. Thank you, buddy. What's that? Oh, thank you. Mm-hmm.
What is this?
That's a nickel. Doesn't really do too much in the world anymore. Used to be able to buy candy for a nickel back in the day. I know, right? Crazy.
Why don't you
No, not today. Wednesday. Mm-hmm.
you better bring
You want me to bring this so you can get some candy? Okay, I got you. You're so smart. That's a quarter though. It's a quarter for the candy at the swim place, not a nickel. So we need 20 more cents. Go find one that's just a little bit bigger than this. If you go upstairs in my drawer, you'll find one. I'll keep this.
Woke up with tired eyes, but the sun changed my state of mind. Fate will be my guide tonight. Even though my heart's been played out like a song, even though it seemed right, always turned out wrong. I feel you coming closer, I know it won't be long till you're everything I want. I've gone 1,000 miles, but I still haven't found the
All right, with the top of the drop off the open.
counting the seconds down till your voice becomes my favorite sound, and your bliss rings throughout me now, forever loud. Even though my heart's been played out like a song, even though it seemed right, always turned out wrong. I feel you coming closer, I know it won't be long till you're everything I want. I've gone 1,000 miles, but I still haven't found the one for me, but maybe you're somewhere in the crowd. Hope I find you here, oh I find you here, no I find you here. I've been through it all, yeah, I've loved and I've lost, been searching for a minute for the one that I want. Hope I find you here, oh I find you here, no I find you here.
Yeah. Yeah. Looks like it might try to double tap it. See what happens. It's gonna be interesting. About to be in the bottom of the hour. About to be in the bottom of the hour, and then we'll have that only folder that we have today, yellow folder at 10 a.m. coming up. If you don't get any push or any more volume, that seems like it's gonna come in. We'll just call it good for the day. We essentially just need the volume back on a 3 and the 1 minute to flip, which you can do just getting above this London high here, 824. The volume needs to come back as well. Again, the daily target is 21,880. This is not nowhere. Just nowhere. It's not far at all. We closed above 800 on the 1 and the 3. We are now in the bottom of the hour. Oops. Close to the volume coming back on the 1. We need trend 2. Again, needs to get above the 825 area, close above there. 3 minute just needs to get the volume back. 5 minutes already blue. Above 880 is 21,936 and a quarter. It's reachable. We just need volume to come in. And then there's one more above that before some daily imbalance. That'll be 22,000, 22,048.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now.
Well, looks like we got the 3 back, or maybe we're working on it. Oh yeah. Yeah, guys, this looks like a very consolidated time right now. We have this yellow folder in 2 minutes, which may or may not do anything. We're at 800 right now. 3 minute is going back stalemate.
Did you know picking up the pieces of my soul? I lost control and I can shake
All right, it's 10 o'clock now. Got a lot of wicks right here on this, a lot of resistance at this area. A lot of wicks right here. I'm pretty close to calling it good for the day. Give it maybe 15 minutes. We haven't popped above the 825 area by then. It's probably not going to do it anytime soon. Oh yeah? Well, how soon is that supposed to happen? Yeah, I don't know too much about it. What I've read beforehand is that it's not a presidential appointed job, so but I guess we'll see. It's gonna be a new face of the memes if that happens. Keep trying to pop above this area here. It's 811 or 810, 810 through 815. Looks like area. I mean, all the way up to 824 really, because that's the London high. Mm. Oh yeah. If you're talking about who I think you're talking about, I'm assuming you were watching SWAT. Oh, I don't know. I've never heard of that one. Who's my doppelganger? Tulsa Kings. Santa look like Sylvester Stallone? Eight more minutes and I'm calling it good. I'm already ready to call it good now, to be honest. But I figured I'd give it a full 15-minute candle. Especially since it's trying to be bullish engulfing. Michael Beach. I've never heard of that person. He's a good looking fella. Maybe another 10 years when my beard turns gray. Ever since I was a kid, I always got Shamar Moore. So I thought you were referring to SWAT. Or what's the other show he was in? I've been yawning this entire time, Christine. What was the other show? What was the other show he was in? Well, it all started because of Young and the Restless back in the day. But the most recent ones were SWAT and Criminal Minds. Oh, hit myself with my mic. All right. Bearish engulfing candle got violated or is getting violated. Can we go higher high? I'm not a fan of any of this from a volume perspective. The young and the worthless. Jimmy, I didn't even know you were here. Good morning. Okay. You're trying to keep me here for a little longer, I see. At the London high, possible flip on the 1, 15 seconds. Yeah, me too. I just, hope she doesn't gas out. Hopefully she doesn't gas out on that flip. Sorry, my mic probably just got a lot better for you guys. And just realized that my gain was down. Yeah, if it doesn't sound like this, you guys should probably be saying something in the chat. Just for future reference. All right, well. Well. I really don't want to see it come back to 800, to be honest. So I mean, if it does, it is what it is, and I'll take it. I'd rather just see it keep pushing. So 850 area. I feel like we've exhausted. I would like to have seen the market exhaust the 800 level and just leave it alone. No, I'm saying. But we are officially in alignment for buys now. Might get what we asked for. We have how much time left in this 3-minute candle? 202. We're 5 points away from 850. And potential daily target is the daily target is 880. Jalen, nice. Jalen got the 5-minute J4 for the buy. We're close. Still got 15 seconds left in this candle. We're hugging on to 850. And closing. Ooh. We just closed below. Volume is picking back up though. Still seeing divergence on the 5-minute, but we closed below there. Oh, sorry, that was a 15-minute. 5 minutes actually not. It is picking up, but it's looking better. Yeah, exactly. It is looking better. Should have a minute and 20 seconds left in this candle, or a minute and 40 seconds left in this candle. 3-minute volume's looking better too. All right, we're doing this again. 25 seconds. All right, I'm gonna place a buy limit here at 850. And I'm in. This will be my only shot today, fam. Because it's gonna get 50 points. That's why. All right, be right back. I'm gonna go get some water. We're gonna pull out all the tricks today.
the back of my mind, there's a memory. You were holding my hand tight, kissing on a moonlit street. And I've been missing you since then. Yeah, I still smell you on my sheets. Loving you is sweet, sweetheart. Losing you is killing me. Baby, I can't breathe. Baby, I can't breathe. I remember your eyes like a warm sunset, rolling on my king-size bed. Moments that I can't forget. And I've been missing you since then. Yeah, I still smell you on my sheets. Loving you is sweet, sweetheart. Losing you is killing me. Baby, I can't breathe. Honey, I'm on my knees. Baby, can you hear me? Honey, you're all I need. Baby, I can't breathe. Baby, I can't breathe.
Get up, it's time you rule the world. One step towards your dream, my boy. Don't let what others say bring you down, 'cause you know that you're stronger now. It's never late to start. You can't run away this time. Past the haters, let them cry, 'cause right now we have no more time. You can't run away this time. Past the haters, let them cry. We won't stop until we see the We can't run away, we can't run away. Time will never wait for us, so we just gotta keep on moving to the top. We keep pushing, 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 pushing harder, till your sweat and tears cover all over. You're only getting stronger. Trust the process, we won't be here for longer. We keep pushing, 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 pushing harder, till your sweat and tears cover all over. You're only getting stronger. Trust the process, we won't be here for longer. You can't run away this time. Past the haters, let them cry, 'cause right now we have no more time. You can't run away this time. Past the haters, let them cry. We won't stop until we see the top.
All right, fam. We are in this trade. It's cooking. We got to get through this bearish engulfing candle here. What time is it? It's 10:30. New 30-minute candle just opened up. Got resistance up here near this 880 area. So, like I said, not gonna do a session tomorrow. So we'll be back on Wednesday. Wednesday. I will say this though, if you oh, we're pushing up now. I see we're pushing up. All right, yeah, there we go. Good. I'm gonna go ahead and go break even on that. Go and get your risk off the table on that trade. But I was gonna say, if you, I know you guys probably gonna trade anyway. So if you come to the market tomorrow and you like what you see from a volume perspective, we're in alignment, all that good stuff, take your shots. I personally booked the tea time tomorrow purposely, so I did not look at the market. So I'll be golfing. So we're not gonna have a session tomorrow. But come on, man, keep pushing through. Keep it pushing, baby. Golfing. I don't hack. There may be, you know, a couple shots here and there. There's some hacks, but we just hit those over. No big deal. Hey, if ain't no money on the line, you know, there may be a player 1 and a player 2 out there sometimes. Player 2 is always better than player 1. Let's go. Come on. I'm gonna go ahead and lock in 10 points on this trade, just because this right here we can see a turnaround, especially with that crazy pop like it just did. So I'm locking in 10, and we're gonna call this a profitable day regardless of what happens next. TP 900, and that'll be that. So I got 10 points locked in, just to leave here with something. Just to leave here with something. If we could really keep pushing though, I mean, the next day, 900 to 936. I mean, obviously it's only 36 points, but that's within reach. But I'm not trying to squeeze that. Just give me 900 and we'll be good to go. Can we get a close above? Yeah, I mean, we got to deal with this one first. We're about to be in the bottom of the, we still got time for the bottom of the hour. Yeah, I'm not interested in trailing either. Now Wednesday, Thursday, more firepower in the market. We'll see what we can do on those days. But today, let's just get ahead of the week. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what that is. I saw that. Something about it seemed like they were trying to announce something about a larger account size. Guess we'll find out. We'll be glued to our emails. I know there's my code's given the 40% off right now, I believe. Yeah, I'm not liking this rejection here. It is what it is, though. I'm holding on to it. I got 10 locked in. I'm in at 860, so if it comes back there, it comes back there. It is what it is. Raised it to 150. Oh, it's a 15 points. Well, you're gonna get taken out. There's resistance right there. At least the 10 points is below that. There's wicks on the left side right at your stop loss. You're gonna get taken out on that one. We might all get taken out, but I think that obviously yours is closer than us, so you'll probably get taken out before us. But I like the 10 points because at least we might have that to hold us up if it wants to just like wick these. Later, Mark. Yeah, I got alert set, so I'm just gonna we're gonna just go ahead and sign off, and we'll hopefully with us departing, and mainly me, because she was moving fine before I came back, and then we had a little resistance, came a little pushback to the entry there. So yeah, we'll talk about it in the chat. Whatever happens, I got 10 locked in. That's all. I'm okay with grabbing just that. You guys can do what you want. I am gonna hold this to either 10 or 50, and then we'll be back on Wednesday. All right, you're welcome. Very, very welcome. Had to be a little patient today. I almost gave up on her, but we're in here. We got to trade. We're risk free. Got 10 locked in. For a no news day, I'll take it. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Have an amazing couple days. And if there's anything you need from me in between now and then, hit me up on Telegram. I'm locked in at 5 in profit, so we'll see. Nice. Yeah. 5 is good too. At least you're below this order block right here. This is the bearish go for candle that we had to break to really do what we did, and we did break it, and we retested at the same time. So these wicks is the lowest I really want to see it go. Like this spot, literally where it rejected from. That's the lowest. Any lower than that, we're all going to be out of this. We can get above 880. We should fly up. Yep, bullish scuffing 101. All right, fam. Peace out for now. Y'all have an amazing one.